Welcome back to the farm. So yesterday we worked on clearing up this tree line, and there's a specific reason why I started in this section right here, because a lot of these trees over here are dead. And before we moved in, one of these trees fell and almost hit the neighbor's house, and then this spring we had one of these good sized ones right here uproot and fall towards the neighbor's houses, but thankfully just stop on our property. So we're gonna get some of this stuff cleaned up today, and I got just the thing to make it easier. So we've been dropping hints on Facebook and Instagram, and here's the piece of equipment. 86-foot boom lift. Should get us up there and hopefully make cutting these trees down a lot easier. I'm gonna get harnessed up and we'll work on getting it back there. Alright, so we got it back here. We'll get the chainsaws fired up and then we'll start cutting some trees. So it's going pretty well. It's a little jerky up there, trying to get used to the controls. Some of these newer machines are really touchy, and then they kind of compound as you go. But I think we got a good start. Had to come down and refuel, and we'll go back up and hit some more. So we got a good chunk of the tree down now. I don't know if you can see behind me. We're gonna get the bigger saw, fire it up, and go cut some more of it down. So I got this tree almost all the way down. I want to make one more cut in there, but I'm really struggling with my chainsaw. Last time I sharpened it, I don't know if I did it 100% correctly, and I'll show you what I did and what I think I need to do, and we'll do that, and we will try to cut this down. So last time I sharpened it, I sharpened the teeth here, but I did not file down my guides here, and I'm wondering if I'm not hitting and interfering with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and file these down, and then we'll try it out again. Hopefully get that last cut done on that tree. All right, so I gotta just put a fresh chain on, and I filed all these points down a little bit. So hopefully that'll do it, and we can finish up this tree today. Well, the new chain and the filing did the trick. I cut a lot better. I got this one down as far as you need to take it with the lift. I can clean this up when the lift is gone, cut it up more. But we still have about 6 more trees to take down. So I don't know if we'll do any more today or not. We'll see. So that went down pretty quick. Nice when you get sharp chains that actually work properly. You get a lot done quickly. So just got one more cut to make on it. Follow this last little piece, and tree number 2 is done. That's tree number 1 and tree number 2 done. We'll pick this up tomorrow. Hopefully get another 1 or 2 trees down. I got off the rest of the week and we have this lift for the rest of the week, so we should hopefully be able to get this all done. See ya tomorrow. So we got day 2 here, cutting trees. Got a nice sunny day finally. Unfortunately the wind's picked up a little bit, so we'll see how that affects us. We're gonna try to take care of this other dead one here today if it's not too windy, and hopefully start on something else. But if I get up there and it's too windy, we'll have to do something else and try again another day. It's supposed to be the windiest day this week, so hopefully that's the case. So I got a little bit cut down on that. It's just a little too windy today. The last cut I made, wind picked up just as I was cutting through and it actually kicked back, and the log hit my hand and took the chain off the chainsaw. So we're gonna call it for today, and hopefully tomorrow it'll be a little less windy. Might do a little bit of cleanup here, some of the stuff we cut yesterday, just get it out of the way. But it's kind of where we're at. So since it's too windy to cut down some trees, we'll fix up the saw. Here's the chain I threw on that last cut, so we'll get that put back on. And then my little saw didn't want to start this morning, so we're gonna try to figure that out. I had trouble with the kill switch on it yesterday. It was not wanting to turn it off, so I don't know if that just failed or if it's just cold or what it is, but we'll try to figure that out as well. So putting the chain back on should be pretty simple. Just got to loosen these 2 bolts here, and there's a little screw down in here that's really hard to see, but it's a flathead screw. There it is. And all we got to do is loosen that to draw the bar in, put the chain back on, tighten it to draw the bar back out, tighten the 2 bolts, chain's back on. Chain should have just a little bit of slack on it. That actually might be a little excessive. I might tighten that up just a little bit more. Alright, that feels much better. Alright, so this little guy was having problems with this yesterday, the kill switch on top here. It wasn't wanting to kill it, and I had to kind of play with it to get it to shut off. So I'm going to take this off, see what it looks like inside, and hopefully we can figure it out. Alright, so that's the kill switch. So as far as I can tell, the kill switch appears to be working. You push the switch open, there's a little plastic bump in there. that lifts the metal off. And it appears to be functioning. So I'm not sure if that's our problem or not. We'll put this back together and see if we get spark with the kill switch off. So I pulled the air cleaner off the back. It's going to access the spark plug. And I said to try it again with the air cleaner off. Choke on, I was able to get it to fire. And what it is, I think I got a bad mixture of gas here. So I'm going to drain this one out, burn out the carburetor, and get some fresh gas in there, and hopefully that'll fix the issue. Alright, so I got the old gas kind of burned out of the carburetor. See if I can't pump some of this new stuff in with the primer. And let's see if we can get this thing to go. Well, that appears to have done it. I'm sure as I run, it'll clear out and be less smoky. So we're gonna give it one more try today. Maybe try to get some of the smaller stuff taken down on these other ones. Hopefully the wind won't affect us too much with that. We'll see. I'm glad we came back out. I got some more done. Got some of the trees topped up there. Now we're getting to the point where some of these are hanging over the neighbor's yard. So we're going to try to see if we can't set something up and start swinging some pieces to drop them on our property. started getting dark on us, so we had to call it quits for the day. The pulley rope gator setup worked really well for swinging those branches that were hanging over the property line. I can try to show you that in the next video. This is where I'm going to cut this one off, and we will continue with the tree cutting in the next video. If you find interest in it, please like it, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.